The slide hammer from Orion Motor Tech is the perfect internal and external puller set for hubs, rear axles, bearings, bushings, seals, retainers, and more. Adaptable for use with most cars and trucks, both domestic as well as foreign. I depend on the slide hammer for all the tough jobs that come into my shop because this kit is effective and each piece is rock solid and built to last. And when I have a job to do, I need to get it done right the first time. This kit comes complete with one deep axle puller, the slide hammer itself, 3 jaws and 2 jaw puller adapters, 1 screw as well as 3 bolt and nut sets, 1 dent puller, a rear axle puller, 1 bolt adapter, 1 lock nut, a puller hook, and I especially like this piece because of its robust construction. It's not some cheap mild steel with some candy cane hook that's good for 1 or 2 uses. No, this hook, it'll last you. And the center screw. All this packed nice and neat into this custom molded black case. Or if you prefer, it comes in red as well. All the same tools and all the same quality. Just another option for you. Check out this 2012 Honda Accord a customer brought in with an annoying noise coming from the front end. After checking it out, I could tell the right front axle was needing to be replaced. After jacking the vehicle up, removing the wheel, and prepping the axle for removal, I install the front hub puller. Use the lug nuts to be sure the puller is fastened properly and securely, and tighten it down. The axle slides out just as smooth as you please. This tool performs perfectly, regardless of what task I throw at it. The slide hammer from Orion Motor Tech, it's trusted by the pros, and it'll work for you too.